We want drawers and cabinet on the bottom, not on top, not the regular Packout roll away. We want it on the rolling base.
Absolutely. That's a piece of feedback we've gotten quite a bit, and it's one that we take very seriously. Obviously, having to unstack to get to products in the bottom unit is not ideal. It's something we've been working on and are continuing to work on, and it really comes down to we want to make sure that any product we launch that is going to have slides on the bottom and have a drawer on the bottom is going to hold up the Packout promise of being the most versatile and most durable. So we're really spending a lot of time to make sure that it's going to hold up to the weight, hold up to the amount of tools that we know our users are going to want to put in there, and then also have the organization to be able to store and keep everything neat inside of that. So it is a project we're very actively working on and hoping to launch at the beginning of 2025. I know that's a long way off, but it is a commitment to your readers and our users that we are going to make it the best, most durable product in the industry.
Okay, so it is coming.
It is coming.
We just have to be patient because you're taking the time to do it right.
Absolutely, absolutely. And as one, we hear the feedback. We are going to continue to improve on all of our products across the board and continue to invest in the Packout system. Great example of that on our drawers. We're going to be adding dividers to every single drawer that ships for moving forward. So no longer are you going to have to ask, where can I buy more dividers? They're coming with dividers moving forward. And that includes all of our current drawers as well as the new four drawer and then the multi-depth 3 drawer that are launching later this month.
At the same price point?
It'll be a slight adjustment in price.
But you don't have to hunt down those extra
You won't have to
dividers.
hunt down the extra dividers. It will ship with all the dividers in them.
What else can we look for next year or into, like you said, 2025? Can we get one secret, one hint?
So I think one of the ones that I'm really excited about and one that I think everyone probably has an idea that we're working on. Since we launched Packout, we've been constantly asked, what are these for? I can tell you with absolute certainty that those were put on Packout for a very specific reason from the beginning. And there's going to be a whole plethora of accessories that utilize those side rails in a massive way in the near future.
Will it be 1 or 2 products or a line?
We're going to go big. So think about shop storage, how we launched 20 SKUs all at once, and then it kicked off right after that, 8 months later with 7 more products. It's going to be more along those lines with a whole suite of new additions to make Packout even more versatile than it is today.